Written by Scott Kelby, the digital photography book is a treasure trove of tips and techniques for photographers of all levels. It covers everything from the basics to advanced techniques, making it a must-read for anyone serious about photography. Capturing fast-moving subjects is exhilarating, the challenge is real, and the rewards are immense. The thrill of freezing a moment in time, one that would otherwise be lost forever, is what drives many photographers. A fleeting moment, gone in a flash. These are the moments that test a photographer's skill and patience. The ability to anticipate and react quickly is crucial. Miss the shot, and the opportunity is lost. Photographers know the struggle all too well. The frustration of missing that perfect moment can be overwhelming. Fast shutter speeds are key. They allow you to freeze the action, capturing sharp images even in the most dynamic situations. But that alone isn't enough. You need to understand your camera's settings and how to adjust them on the fly. It's a combination of technical knowledge and instinct. Autofocus needs to be lightning fast. A slow autofocus can mean the difference between a stunning shot and a missed opportunity. Keeping up with the action is demanding. It requires physical agility and mental sharpness. You have to be in the right place at the right time. Blurry photos are a common frustration. They can happen for a variety of reasons, from incorrect settings to simply not being able to keep up with the subject. The subject moves too quickly. Sometimes, no matter how prepared you are, the action is just too fast to capture perfectly. The camera can't keep up. Even the best equipment has its limits, and there are times when it just can't focus quickly enough. Missed focus leads to disappointment. It's a harsh reality that every photographer faces at some point. Photographers strive for tack-sharp images. These are the shots that stand out, the ones that make all the effort worthwhile. Freezing the action at its peak is the goal. It's about capturing that perfect moment, the one that tells a story and evokes emotion. But achieving this requires the right equipment. High-end gear can make a significant difference, providing the speed and precision needed to capture those fleeting moments. The Sony A9iii emerges as a powerful tool, redefining the boundaries of what a camera can achieve in the hands of a professional. Designed for speed and precision, it excels in capturing the most fleeting moments with unparalleled clarity. This camera is a game-changer for action photography, making it the go-to choice for sports and wildlife photographers alike. Its advanced technology sets it apart, featuring innovations that push the envelope of what's possible in photography. Aimed at professionals and enthusiasts, the A9iii offers a versatile toolset that caters to a wide range of photographic needs. The A9iii tackles the challenges of fast-paced shooting with ease, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. High-speed continuous shooting is a highlight, allowing photographers to capture a series of frames in rapid succession. Capture split-second moments with ease, thanks to the camera's lightning-fast response time and reliable performance. The camera's autofocus system is exceptional, providing quick and accurate focus even in the most dynamic scenes. It locks onto subjects with remarkable accuracy, ensuring every shot is sharp and well-defined. Low-light performance is equally impressive, allowing photographers to shoot in dim conditions without compromising quality. Shoot confidently in challenging conditions, knowing that the A9iii will deliver outstanding results no matter the environment. The A9iii handles noise with grace. Image quality remains superb, producing clear, high-quality images even in low light. At the heart of the A9iii lies its AI-powered IAF. This revolutionary technology transforms action photography. It tracks and focuses on the subject's eye, even in dynamic situations. Burst shooting capabilities are astonishing. The A9iii captures up to 20 frames per second without blackout. This allows for incredible sequences. No moment is missed. The camera's adaptability to lighting conditions is notable. Its wide ISO range ensures optimal image quality. From bright sunlight to dimly lit arenas, the A9iii performs admirably. My A9iii adventures freezing time in its tracks. The Sony A9iii has been my trusted companion in capturing moments that are otherwise fleeting. Its advanced features and reliability have made it an indispensable tool in my photography journey. I recently took the A9iii to a local air show. The atmosphere was electric, with crowds eagerly anticipating the aerial displays. The camera's performance in such a dynamic environment was nothing short of impressive. Jets soared through the sky, performing breathtaking maneuvers. The A9iii captured every twist and turn with precision, making it feel like time had slowed down. The camera exceeded my expectations. Reviewing the images, I was amazed at the clarity and detail. It was as if I was reliving the moments all over again. The A9iii tracked the pilots flawlessly, even at high speeds. This feature ensured that every shot was in perfect focus, capturing the intensity and concentration of the pilots. Burst shooting captured every twist and turn. The results were spectacular. The A9iii's ability to shoot at high speeds without compromising on quality is truly remarkable. Another memorable experience involved wildlife photography. The A9iii's versatility shone through as I ventured into nature, ready to capture the beauty of wildlife. I used the A9iii to photograph birds in flight. Their graceful movements and the challenge of capturing them in motion tested the camera's capabilities. Their movements were swift and unpredictable, yet the camera kept up. The autofocus was quick and accurate, ensuring I didn't miss a single moment. The images were tack-sharp, freezing the birds in midair. The level of detail was astonishing, making each photograph a work of art. Every feather and detail was visible. The high resolution of the A9iii brought out the intricate patterns and colors of the bird's plumage. The A9iii's performance was truly remarkable. It has transformed the way I capture and experience the world, making every moment unforgettable. A9iii, your gateway to action mastery. The Sony A9iii is an exceptional camera for photographers who demand the best. Its speed, precision, and image quality are unmatched. If you're serious about action photography, the A9iii is an investment worth considering. It empowers you to capture those elusive moments that were once impossible to freeze. Share your experiences with the Sony A9iii. Join the community of passionate photographers. Push the boundaries of what's possible. Capture the world in motion.